my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition S Tronic, finished in the modern Navarra Blue Metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TFSI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these modern LED headlights with dynamic indicators, large sporty looking 19-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, stylish A3 badging, and front and rear parking sensors which are paired with a reversing camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 425-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. This A3 comes with a Sonos 3D premium sound system, along with illuminated door sill trims with the S logo. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim with a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and rear climate control. The front houses the flat-bottom multifunctional steering wheel complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, alongside a central touch display and S-embossed front full leather sport seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting to set the mood. In addition to accessing Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driving modes to suit you. You can also access the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features an illuminated wireless charging pad, illuminated central cup holders, and a central armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.